Well, in gCADPlus, there's an area above the status line referred to as the command line area, and that's the area that gCADPlus uses to give you feedback. This happens to be designed for Washington State, so the base unit is in decimal feet. Let's imagine that I wanted to draw a line, and I could do the line and pick it from a number of ways. I'll pick it here from the draw toolbar, and I'm getting two messages, one at the cursor, the intersection of two lines, and it's saying to me first point, but that same message is being reflected down here in the command area. So it wants the first point. Now I have polar on, so I can move in any direction, and as I move horizontally to the right, you'll notice that the distance that I'm moving, 4.507585, is being reported there on the screen, but that information is not being updated in the command area until I click and then hit enter to finish it off. So we can, if we want, extend the command line up, and we can do that, and I can see what's happening. If I pick that line, the information says I've found the object. It happens to be a line, but we can't fit all the information we want there, so we use a properties box on the left, and so over here I can see the length is 4.508 decimal feet. I could overtype that 4.5, and the line will automatically change in length. I can set its color, set its layer, set its line type, and so on. So the command area down here is just used to give you messages. So I could select this one here and issue the copy command in a number of ways. I could just simply right click and say copy this, and it's saying specify the base point of or displacement down there in the command line, but an abbreviated message here. So I'll put it in the middle of our Japanese garden, and I'm asked now for the second point of displacement, or use the first point if we want. So can you see the command area is just giving you messages, and we're done, and it's saying specify another area, so we could do that. So we're copying, and then we hit finish and hit the escape key. So all that's happening down in this area here, unlike AutoCAD, where AutoCAD users expect to type information in that box, you don't need to do that. In gCADPlus you simply type, and the length will be set, or the offset value will be set, and so on. So the command area is of minor importance, but its main job is to feed information to you. So I hope that helps in understanding the role of the command line.